Call of Dragons Beginner's Guide. So over here we have a new account to pretty much really put us in the situation of a newer player. So if you want to go ahead and learn how to do this, you're going to have to know the general idea on what Call of Dragons is. So it's a real-time strategy game where players build your cities, or your own city, I mean, train armies, so training your troops, and exploring the map and playing with other kinds of players by joining alliances, participating on those events, and competing with other online players. You can play solo or play with other players, but it's much better to play with those other players since you can join an alliance and you get lots of rewards. But as a beginner, your first goal should be progression in your city. You can do a progression through the early quests and upgrade your city, especially the city hall over here, or the sacred hall, since this is the main building that will allow you to get more buildings. It will give you more troops and features, so always keep your builders as well busy, since building upgrades and troop production are the fastest ways to increase power and strengthen your city in game. So make sure you're always having an upgrade or having a building created and making use of all the available builders. Another important tip is, we already mentioned, to join an active alliance as soon as possible, since the earlier you're in the game, the more valuable the rewards will be to you, and the later you progress, the rewards will also progress with you. So higher rewards and better rewards. Alliances provide help with building timers and can give you alliance gifts and access to group activities like those rallies and events that reward resources and speed ups. You should also focus on researching your academy. If you have it already, you can research that to maintain your steady growth. It will help you with gathering resources and also leveling up your heroes. And with that, you can focus on getting your main team first. You don't really need multiple heroes at the same time early on, but if you want, that's fine, I suppose, since you'll be able to use them later on. But focus on a specific team first and upgrade them and make use of them wisely in the beginning to really put down their full potential. Again, completing daily quests, participating on events, and exploring the map regularly will help you progress much faster and build a stronger army for both PvE and PvP battle. So if you're a free to play player, make sure you're active to really get into those limited time events and getting as much progress in and much rewards as possible. But that is the general idea on how to get progression fast and how to play Call of Dragons as a beginner's guide. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.